Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're talking about getting it in writing or not getting it in writing. It can be your price, right? Ask for price out the door in writing, or take the chance of what they told you is what you're going to pay when you come to pick up your RV. Obviously, I think we can all agree it's better to get it in writing, but with a guarantee in writing that if your price changes even $1, you're going to get your deposit back. So make sure that you do that. Other things are, go to pick up your RV. There's 3 or 4 things wrong that can't be corrected right then, have to be corrected later. Make sure you get that in writing. Don't leave with things in the air and you don't have in writing how they're going to be fixed and who's going to assist you when you're getting them fixed. So again, get things in writing. It takes very little time. It'll give you a ton of peace of mind. It also holds the RV dealer that you're doing business with to what they've put in writing, right? They wrote it, they signed it, they have to follow it. If you have any other questions about this, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page.